Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're talking about bones. This one here, easily breakable. I just actually made a bone broth. And so what actually happens when you make bone broth is you put the bones in hot water, you let it boil, and you let all the nutrients come out. If you didn't know, we store up to 60% of the magnesium that we have in our body, in our bones. And so this is the process. When you make a bone broth at home, it's actually the process of watching osteoporosis. So osteoporosis is a well-known aging disease, although at a growing rate, a lot of people are having it younger and younger and younger now. This is basically a sign of a very deficient, mineral deficient diet, and which is the reason why I'm a fan of animal protein. So there's so many bones that we have, and they store all of these minerals. So if your body goes through a period of sickness or stress, or it's just having a lack of nutrients in general, the bones, the body, again, the brain will always figure out how to get its nutrient intake, and it will take it from the bones. So it makes a lot of sense if you're someone with osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, to be eating very mineral dense foods. You can't supplement your way into having strong bones, into having strong muscles. You've got to go for the most nutrient dense sources that you can find, and that's going to be your animal based protein, specifically red meat. I am such a huge fan of that. And when I came to the conclusion that I was also mineral deficient in my diet years ago, I was facing a lot of insulin resistance and a lot of mineral deficiencies. Well, when I was in college, I was just eating basically Panda Express, Chick-fil-A, and Smoothie King every single day. And I was also introduced to alcohol. So I was under a very dire stress response. And I also thought that cardio was a good investment form of exercise. And it wasn't until I started strength training, building muscle, and then putting enough nutrients in my diet to get past that cycle of depletion and fatigue that I could actually start to feel better, start to look better, and, you know, spread the love with other people. So how do you get past this depletion rate? We're facing so many depletion factors in our environment. How do we get past it? Well, again, nourishing yourself with the amino acids that I always talk about, the essential amino acids and fatty acids. These are what make up our bones, and this is what makes up our minerals and our nutrients is magnesium, potassium, iron, calcium. All these things are found in animal protein in the largest quantities that you'll find, unlike plants that have a non-complete source of protein. So you really, I'm serious guys, you want to be getting as much protein as possible. We have so many bones, and we face these age-related diseases faster than ever now, sooner than ever. Alzheimer's is our #1 growing disease that we have in our country, and it's super sad because our symptoms actually set in decades before. So if you're someone facing a lot of fatigue, a lot of inflammation, and you're my age, say you're 27 or you're in your 30s, you're having early symptoms of a disease like osteoporosis and dementia and Alzheimer's. And so the more we can take this very seriously, the more that we can also address our mental health in a serious manner, which is our metabolic health. We can address the issues that we have, we can fix them, we can pick up our energy, and we can feel a lot better and be nutrient dense human beings. Because when our bones are nutrient dense, our muscles are nutrient dense, and our brain is happy and satisfied. So I hope that you like this video. Making your own bone broth is so easy at home, guys. I really, really recommend it. It's a super fun project. And again, you just kind of watch the bones become super porous, osteoporosis. So, I mean, literally this bone is like, I can smash it to pieces, and, you know, so that's what happens when we age. So super cool. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and as always, good luck.